Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. Okay, once in settings, scroll down and find the option called turn off, tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm and turn off the watch. As you can see, the watch turned off, and that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.